Hello friends, today we will be solving the three sum question. So, in the most of the companies, this is asked as an interview question. Like it is a follow up to the two sum question. So, in this, we need to find out the triplets in array which sums to the zero. But in this question, we need to find out in a unique way. So, every set of solution must be a unique. So in this you can see this is the array -1 0 1 2 -1 4. So we can look and we can see like -1 0 1 is the triplet where it is equal to 0, -1 plus 0 -1 plus 1, it is 0 again, -1 -1 and 2, so -2 plus 2 is 0. So these two are the unique solution set. So the the solution of this question returns list of list. So list of list means list of solution triplet. So what we have done is initially, so how to deal with this question? There are multiple ways by which we can solve this question depending on the time complexity level. So if you are using three for loops, then it will take order of n cube. So easily you can just fix the three values and can check the triplet sum. So it will require three for loops plus some computation to achieve the uniqueness. So it will be of order of n cube solution, but that will be not efficient. So what we can do is like we can use Kadane's algorithm, which is two pointers algorithm. So in this, initially that algorithm works only on sorted arrays. So we have sorted with the arrays dot sort. It takes only n log n time to do that. Again, we have created a list of integer so that we can store the result set. We have a tree set of string, so it stores the result in the sorted order. This is the list of array list which will be added to the this result set. So we are iterating from 0 to num dot length -2 I plus plus, and we are just setting j is equal to I plus 1 and k equal to nums dot length -1. So what we are doing is we will make I as a fix and j will be next element and the k will be the last element, and we will be using two pointers algorithm for j and k. We will be moving those values. So while j is less than k, so if nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k is equal to 0, then what we'll do is we'll create a string nums of I plus j plus k. Then uh, we'll check whether the set contains string. So over here we have created tree set so that it will be storing the sorted values inside it, and whatever type of nums of I j k will be there, it will make it sorted and it will like -0 -1 suppose this -1 -1 2 is there and 2 -1 -1 is there, so it will sort it and it will store only one element in it. So in this point we'll check whether set contains, whether this is the unique. So initially it is empty, so it is unique. What it will do is like we'll be adding nums I, nums k, j or nums k, and then we'll be adding to this array list to the result, and we'll make al as a empty again so that it will be used in next iteration. Again we'll add this result to str. We initially computed this str, so it will be added to the set. So again if next time it comes in some other form like 2 -1 -1, but since this thing will be able to just check in the sorted way, so it will be able to handle the uniqueness. So again, we'll be incrementing j plus plus and we'll decrementing the k minus minus. If nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k is less than 0, then we will be incrementing j plus plus. Else we will be decrementing k minus minus. And then we will be returning the result, which will contain only unique elements. Let's see whether it get executed or not. Yes, it is getting executed, and they are accepting it. Let's see if I will be keep posting on better solution than this, but this is also a good solution. It takes order of n square time. Thank you. Have a nice day.